Yo, so welcome back to my channel once again. So I greet all the new followers that we just got recently about free funded account. So if you're interested in free funded account, this is your best channel. And also know the possible bonus, this is your best channel to follow. And I want to use this opportunity to tell you guys that those who want to trade with a trusted broker, just go down to my video description. I list all the trusted brokers down there. Just go through, do your own investigation, and then you can register an account with them. All right, so today I'm going to show you where you can get out 50K free funded account with just a simple tax. Okay, so remember, all free funded account are demo account or simulated capital. They are not a real money. You only need to trade and get reward for it. Okay, based on the criteria or requirements set by the particular program. So today I'm going to review a particular one, and I don't think it's going to fit everybody's taste. So you just have to stick to this channel. If I drop a video about some free funded account update that does not fit your tax or what you need, just take it off from your mind and then wait for another update. Remember, I drop video every single day. So today I will take you to my Discord server on Atlas funded account, which is conducting an invite competition. So it's an invite competition and it's ending on 1st of January. Okay, so if you are interested in inviting your friends in order to earn an account, even up to 200K, then this video is for you. But we are just targeting the third position, which is 50K. So I'm going to show you how you can generate your link and then how you can share your link. Okay, so just be on your ear and listen to whatever I'm going to talk about. So this was the announcement. It was announced on 12th of 11th of December 2025, and it will be ending on January 1st. So when you're watching this video after January 1st, then know that this uh competition has expired. Okay, so let's go through the announcement. So no bot, no fake, no just for just, or follow me, I follow you. Okay, so no boat, don't run a boat to invite, don't run any fake invite, and they only need real invites only. Invite your way to the top before January 1st. Okay, so these are flyers entered here. So these are the account of price allocated for the position. So it's run up to the 10th, the fifth position. So first position is going with 200K, second 100K, third 50K, fourth 25K, and then fifth is 10K. Okay, so this is it. So when you come to how to generate your link, just go to any of the servers here. So I'll put the Discord link in my Telegram channel. So just go down to this video description, join the Telegram channel. That is why I share all the links. Okay. So when you go to the Telegram channel, just the last post, you'll find the link under this video. I post the video link also there. So just check below the the video link, and then the thumbnail, you will see the link. So just click on it, join the Discord, verify the Discord, and you have access to all these channels. So just click on any of the servers or the channels here. When you're using PC, right click. When you are using mobile phone, just long press on it. So here is it. So when I right click on this channel right here, I'm going to go with invite to channel. Okay, or you can locate the general channel. Okay, so let's locate the general channel where people used to chat there. Okay, or sorry for that. Let me just locate this for you guys to see. So let's come down a bit. Yes, the lodge. The lodge. So you right click on the lodge and then you click on invite to channel. So when you click on invite to channel, the link page will pop up. So you have to edit this link. Okay, if you like. If you don't want to edit it, you can just copy it straight forward. But if you want to edit it, just come below here, click on edit invite link, and set it to infinity or whatever number of days you want. Okay, so you can put it on never. Okay, put it on never. So after you put it on never, don't set any maximum number of views. Leave it to no limit and click on generate new link. So this is the link that you copy straight from here. And then after you copy, you have to go to any social media platform with traders there, share this link with them that they should join this Discord server for an account. They can also invite to get an account. Share the necessary info that is publicly available that they can also go and do research on. Don't be like promoting the program. So in this video, it's just for entertainment purpose and educational purpose only based on the information publicly available set by this program. So after you generate and started sharing, how do you know how many members you have invited? So for that one, you have to come to the leaderboard. Okay, invite leaderboard and then click on it. You see the number of people that people are inviting and you see your position as well. That is how it is. So when you just click on leaderboard, you see the number of people that people have invited and all that right here. When you go down, you see the new one. If you want to type new, you can add the command here, type the command stroke or / leaderboard, and then you will see that is how you see the number of people that you have invited. So they will announce the winner in the they will announce the winner in the Discord server. So you must maintain this Discord server in order to do what uh to hear the winner. Okay, to hear the winner. That is all, to hear the winner. So guys, I thank everyone for your time and support. See you guys tomorrow on another update. Goodbye, and don't forget to subscribe, share, and like.